But what if I do the vertical line test on discrete graph of a function? Until now we were doing the vertical line test on continuous graph, but now we're gonna try the vertical line test on discrete graph of a function. How it happens? Let's see it. If I have one example here where its graph is in this shape, it is a digital graph, it is a discrete graph or a discontinuous graph, because look, all the points are separated from each other. They are not connected with each other. It is in a digital form. Therefore, it is called discontinuous graph, a digital graph, or discrete graph. Let me try how to do the vertical line test here. I pass the vertical lines through different points. I have only problem at this point because the vertical line touches the graph at 2 points. For the rest of the vertical lines, I have no issue. Because look, it touches the graph only at this point. It touches it here. It touches the graph here only, and it touches the graph only at this point. But I have problem with this one. It touches the graph here and then going down all the way and touches it again here. So it passes through 2 points, not a single point. Therefore, it does not satisfy the vertical line test. So I can say that it is not a function. Let me try one more example where its graph is in this shape. Again, it is a digital graph, a discrete graph. If I pass the vertical lines at different points, I have problem at 2 places, here and then here, because these 2 vertical lines touch the graph twice. It touches the graph only at this point. This one touches it here. It passes without touching any single point of the graph. So I have no issue with this as well. No problem at all. But the problem that I have is at these 2 points. One is here and one is here. Because this line touches here and then touches here again. Similarly, this one touches it here and then here. So the vertical line test is failed here, and therefore it is not a function. Let me give one more example where its graph is in this shape. It's a digital graph. If I pass the vertical lines through different points, it satisfies the vertical line test because all the vertical lines passes through single points, even here. Because look, it is a circle. It is an empty circle. So the line passes freely without touching any point. This line only touches the graph at this point, not on 2 points. This one touches the graph at 1 point, the third one at this point, the other one at this point, the last one at this point as well. Therefore, it passes the vertical line test here. So I can say that it is a function. It is a perfect digital function.